Hey guys, it's me, Tommy, and I'm back again with another video. In my last video, I told you guys that I was going to be taking out the extensions that I've had in my hair when I decided to permanently lock my hair. So this video is going to show you exactly how I basically restarted my lock journey. So the items that you're going to need is some conditioner, a spray bottle, a rat tail comb, and then just a scrunchie to tie my hair up. So I'm going to start off with the front of my hair so you guys can basically see what I'm doing. Just going to show you guys how it's thin at the roots and thick at the ends, which is one of the reasons why I'm taking my locks out. So what you're going to do is you're going to soak your hair with lots and lots of water, and then also squish conditioner in your hair so that it's easy to detangle, because basically a lock is your hair that hasn't been combed, so you need to detangle it out. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now it may seem like I'm really rough, but don't worry about it because it's extensions and it's coming out of my hair. So don't feel like, oh my God, she's so rough. This part is clearly extensions. It's not my hair. So I'm just being a little bit rough because like the ends, I did like a curly ends. It just was super tangled. But once I got that knot out, then I was able to just comb up. Once I got to like the mid part of my hair, that's where my hair ends, I guess. So I'm being a little bit more gentle because now I'm starting to comb out the extensions and my hair at the same time. And you'll be able to see it in the next shot, right? Oh, well, not really, because that came right out. So the extension came right out. And now I'm going to take my time to detangle my hair. Now, I did do one retwist when I had these extensions in, and I did the interlocking method. So I'm just taking my time trying to unravel my interlocking that I did. I did lose a little bit of shed hair because I believe I had these locks in for 6 weeks. But it's totally fine. I'm fine with that. So I'm just taking my time, just detangling from the end all the way to the root, just to make sure that I am not damaging my hair, because that's the hair that I'm going to be using to permanently lock my hair. And once it's fully detangled, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to twist it. As you can see, my hair is so thin. I'm going to really miss having those thick extensions, the extensions in my hair to make my locks so thick. But to each his own. So here we go. I'm just going to start all over again. So I'm starting my lock journey with actually just twisting my hair. You can do like a coil, but I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist. And this is what my first twist looks like. Look at how tiny it is compared to where the extensions was. Now, clearly, this is the next day. It does take a very, very, very long time to take out your locks. And again, I only had mine in for 6 weeks, and it took me probably about 3 days to take my locks out. I did work in sections. Thank goodness I worked from home, so it wasn't that bad. But I definitely started at the back and worked my way to the front. That way, like if I had to go pick up my daughter from school, I could just throw the long parts into a ponytail. And yeah, right here I'm just showing you where my hair is, and that's the extensions part. So I'm making sure that I'm being very gentle where my hair is. Don't really care too much about the extensions part because that's being pulled out. But when I'm detangling, I'm making sure that I'm being super gentle with my hair. It doesn't seem like it is, but because I'm fast forwarding it because I don't want this video to be too long, but I am. And then once I get to the point where I can pull the extensions out, I'm just going to go ahead and just pull it right out. If you guys are interested on how I actually install this, if you like the way the locks looked in the beginning, I will link my installation video up on the card up top and also in the description box below this video in case you were wondering how I installed my locks. And doing the same thing, just detangling my hair, and then I'm going to twist it. Now here I plan on locksmithing my hair, so I'm just testing out to make sure that I'm twisting my hair in the right direction. So that's just me just doing the locksmith motion just to see, am I twisting it back or am I twisting it forward? Because I kept getting confused on how to twist my hair. I actually prefer to have curly ends to my locks, so I don't twist all the way down. I just go ahead and make like a curly end at the end of my twist. If you guys didn't see my prior video as I'm doing the same steps over and over again, the reason why I'm taking these extensions out is because my hair is very thin and fine, and as you can see, the locks were super thick. When my hair was growing out, I noticed that the roots of where my hair was, where the extensions wasn't, because my hair was growing, was actually thin. So I decided just to take the locks out and just start fresh, and this is just my fresh start right here. So after I took everything out, I washed my hair again, and this is going to be my day one of what my locks is going to look like. I'm just going to have to tough out the journey and not cheat it, quote unquote, cheat the system with extensions. This is just what it is, and I can't wait to start this journey, and I can't wait for you guys to follow me on this journey. If you guys have any questions, you can leave it below. Thank you so much for liking, comment, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.